Don't forget to join our egg dyeing contest. For more information, check the description box below. Step 1 is to fill your glass 3/4 of the way full with warm to hot water. Next, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and lastly 10 drops of your color of choice. I'm doing blue, red, green, and I'm going to add a splash of red to my yellow to make orange. Mix your colors together and you're ready to dip dye your eggs. For this first technique, I'm going to use a wax crayon. The areas drawn with the wax crayon will stay white after the egg is dyed. Now that you've got your design on your egg, stick it in your color of choice. You can do multicolor or single color. I've chosen single color. Once you pop your egg out, see your design magically appear. Dry it off and voila! This technique also works with stickers. I'm using puffy stickers here because this is what I had on hand, but you can use any stickers that you have. Once dried off, peel the stickers off and you should have a beautiful design underneath. For our second egg design, we're going to do galaxy eggs. For this design, you're going to want a plate and some shaving cream. Add some food coloring on top. I've chosen yellow and blue. Swirl your colors together, but not too much or you'll get a muddy look. Grab an egg, drop it in the foam, and mix the foam over top of the egg gently. Let this sit for about 5 minutes, then pull your egg out and wipe down with a paper towel. And you have yourself a galaxy egg.